Have you ever thought that maybe the IRS was doing everything they could possible to take the fun out of your success? I mean, seriously, how many professions exist purely because the tax code exists as well? You've probably spent a pretty penny hiring professionals in order to make you as tax efficient as possible, and that's because you want to send them the least amount that you have to. I mean, I do too. You're definitely not alone in this, and not even close. Now, you certainly may wonder, is it all working? Are you as tax efficient as you could be? You very well could just be postponing it. You might even be deferring your taxes so you literally have to deal with it later. Your plan might even be that you just have so much money that it really just doesn't matter, you don't care. But think about that for a minute. That's certainly not how you created so much money, is by just being careless in that way. So my guess is you just keep hustling. You keep working hard. You keep saving as much as you can, and you're just going to deal with it at a later date. Well, I'm going to invite you to watch a short video in just a moment, but it's not just a video. It's a video that leads to clarity, and I'll explain that here in 1 second. Now, I bet if I looked over your entire financial package, I would see success. And I'm confident you hold the belief that money is abundant. It's everywhere. Look at all this construction going on here. It is all over the place, and all we have to do is find a way to get it. But scarcity exists. Scarcity is real. You very well may have even experienced scarcity. You might be experiencing it right now. And I'm sure that one of the reasons you hustle and work so hard is because you don't want to experience scarcity either for the first time or certainly ever again. That creating financial security for your family is at your core. Does any of this resonate with you? Now, minimizing taxation naturally becomes a necessary conversation in order to create and make those desires a reality, in order to create that security. Taxes are likely your biggest drain that you experience financially. And the last thing you need is another financial professional telling you what you need to do. You see, those kind of professionals are a dime a dozen. When you discover what it is you want, well, see, that leads to clarity. So in just a moment, you're going to see a button pop up. And this button is going to invite you to watch a video. You don't have to provide any information. It's just there waiting for you. And this question that's asked in this video is very simple. It's going to discover in one question what it is you want. And when you learn what it is you want, I don't care how much money you have. I work with people who have 9 figures and some who have just 4. When you discover what it is you want, well, see, then the path is very simple. Click on this button now. Let's discover what it is you want. It's just there waiting for you. To take the fun, hold on. And heck, you worked your butt off. Who wants to just drain away more than they need to?